Good day, and welcome to this special report on how artificial intelligence is reshaping the world of online work. Welcome to the update, and today we're diving into groundbreaking opportunities for side hustlers. These AI-driven ideas are opening doors for people from all walks of life to earn extra income and even build thriving businesses, all from the comfort of their homes. 1. AI content creation. First on the list, AI content creation. Advanced tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are empowering individuals to write blogs, ebooks, and marketing materials with ease. Entrepreneurs are leveraging these tools to offer content services on platforms like Fiverr, generating hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly. The secret? These AI tools do the heavy lifting, saving time while delivering high-quality results. 2. AI-powered video editing. Next up, the video editing revolution. With platforms like Pictory and Descript, anyone can create polished videos with subtitles, voiceovers, and edits in minutes. Video content is booming, and small creators and businesses are on the hunt for affordable editors. Using AI tools, even beginners can jump into this market and start earning right away. 3. Social media management with AI. Social media management has never been easier. AI platforms like Buffer and Canva are equipping freelancers with tools to schedule posts, create eye-catching graphics, and analyze performance. Managing social media for local businesses or influencers can now be a lucrative side hustle, thanks to AI's ability to simplify these tasks. 4. AI-driven chatbots for businesses. Customer service is going high-tech. AI chatbots, powered by tools like Manicat, are transforming how businesses interact with their customers. Entrepreneurs can offer chatbot setup and management services, helping businesses save time and improve customer satisfaction. A win-win that pays well for you. 5. E-commerce product research with AI. And finally, for e-commerce enthusiasts, AI tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are game changers. These platforms analyze market trends to find the next big products to sell. Whether you start your own online store or offer product research services, the potential here is massive. As AI continues to evolve, so do the opportunities to earn and grow. These 5 side hustles are just the beginning of what's possible. Which one will you start today? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more breaking news on the future of work. Signing off until next time.